Okay, so as you can see, I removed the factory airbox with this BSR power inlet. It's more open, it sounds better. And as you can see, there's some channels there. Down here, the factory air channel that comes from the nose here. But that means, of course, that this box is just sucking air from in here, which is hot air. And of course, it's got a little heat shield. But I figured I cut the factory air channel to be about equally long, and I'm gonna see if I can install this, because there's a little room there, and maybe I can just put this in there. In the way here. I almost fit it, but then at the top it was fine, but at the bottom it was too wide, so I need to cut it kind of like this. Cut all the way through. Oh, the saw is not long enough, so I didn't cut the bottom. Now it's a little shorter. So there we go. By the way, I should really stop wearing white t-shirts while doing car work. I just start doing some oil check, so I think, you know, it's fine. I'm not gonna get dirty. But then it turns into this whole job, and then so, that ain't going anywhere. Looks professional, right? That looks pretty neat, huh? Right, so now I have the part. It's a bit shorter. It'll probably fit now. So I'll just squeeze it in there. Like this. And this fits on this side. Nice. Well, it's attached here. We got some nice airflow there, probably. Like so. Put this back on. Now I can connect that one. And then that again. I think we're almost done, guys. It's all just rubber, right? Okay, wow. Pretty sick. We're done now. This is the nose airbox. And then here, we've got an air channel going back. And it goes around here into the airbox now. This used to be just open, so it collected air from the engine. But now it should get a little bit more cool air, so I'm pretty proud of this. Well, that's it. The car's a little better now, and see you guys next time.